Let's see it. 30 there's a drink there.
Give me a bottle there.
So excited. Look at them. They're all up there. Look at them. Look, Harry. Look there. Yeah, they start taking pictures.
It's class nice. The courthouse is getting it. The last one has always been massive, though, isn't it? Yeah, water resistant ones, Richard. Looks like a lot of swans. That's why the bridge was closed off, so. Charlie, what's better than that?
Tell her they don't do Chris. I know I have. Chi ce l'ha? Can't you just stand there like
Files after that. the excitement's gone out of it now, like, since. So it's St. Patrick's Day Festival, like. Oh, the snakes are gone, thanks to him, like.
Moran. Moran. Sorry. Is it yellow that got sent off for Limerick?
Yeah, in the first half, yeah.
It's all lines got sent off.
Yeah, Thomas Lyons, yellow. He's on his reserve squad for him, yeah.
That was on up Jetman Park,
yeah. Sent off in the first half.
How much you go up to that?
I said it'd only be a 5 or 10 to get in.
But like, so much did they charge us?
12, 15 quid, say. We'll go to the next one.
From over there, isn't it? Yeah.
That's their
That's
overs.
not obviously it's down behind that way, man. That's not.
It's not sure. That's,
Huh? Last one,
I'd say that's coming from the car park.
Oh, this is our overs. If you can up to Overfield, try around with the campus.
Yeah. Go on down this stage. Heads.
Jessie is.
She's not married.